Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting leaks surrounding the highly anticipated Google Pixel 10. With the launch just months away, the rumors and leaks paint a fascinating picture of what this flagship device will bring. Whether you're a longtime Pixel fan or simply love cutting-edge technology, stay with us as we explore all the new features, upgrades, and details that are getting everyone talking. Let's start with the launch date. According to reports, the Pixel 10 is expected to debut in August 2025. This release timeline is strategic, as it positions Google ahead of the iPhone 17 launch. By entering the market first, Google aims to capture attention and solidify its presence in the competitive smartphone world. One of the biggest highlights of the Pixel 10 is its innovative AI assistant called Pixel Sense. This assistant stands out by prioritizing user privacy, as it processes data locally on the device instead of relying on external servers. This feature not only enhances security but also ensures faster, more personalized responses. Along with this, Google has made advancements in AI-driven video editing within the Photos app. This means users will be able to create professional-grade videos effortlessly, thanks to the device's advanced artificial intelligence capabilities. Powering the Pixel 10 is the new Tensor G5 chip, manufactured by TSMC. This chipset promises a significant leap in performance, offering faster speeds, improved battery efficiency, and support for real-time translation. Whether you're multitasking, gaming, or using AI-powered features, the Tensor G5 is designed to handle it all with ease. It's clear that Google has focused on delivering a powerful and seamless experience for users. The camera system has also received notable upgrades. For the first time, the Pixel 10 will support 4K HDR video recording at 60 frames per second. This is a major improvement over previous models and a huge win for content creators and photography enthusiasts. With these enhancements, users can capture stunningly detailed videos with vibrant colors and smooth motion. Another interesting detail is Google's experimentation with the MediaTek T900 modem. While it's not confirmed whether this modem will make it into the final product, it's a sign that Google is exploring new possibilities to improve connectivity and performance. This could mean faster network speeds and a better overall user experience. Now, let's talk about pricing. The Pixel 10 is expected to see a price increase of around $100 compared to previous models. While this might raise eyebrows, the range of upgrades, from the powerful Tensor G5 chip to the enhanced camera and AI features, appears to justify the higher price tag. For those looking for a premium smartphone with cutting-edge technology, this could still be a worthwhile investment. To sum it all up, the Pixel 10 is shaping up to be a game-changer in the world of smartphones. With its advanced AI features, powerful processor, 4K HDR video recording, and sleek design, it's clear that Google is pulling out all the stops. The expected launch in August 2025 adds to the excitement, as tech enthusiasts eagerly wait to get their hands on this flagship device. What are your thoughts on the Google Pixel 10? Are these features and upgrades enough to make it your next smartphone? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest in tech. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next video.